my name is V. Sai Gangireddy from Mechanical Engineering. Today's subject is Engineering Physics. The topic is drift current. Now I want to explain about drift current. Introduction to drift current. Drift current is a type of electrical current that arises due to the motion of charged particles in a conductor. It occupies when an electric field is applied to a material, causes the charged particles to move in a particular direction. Drift current plays a circular role in various electric devices and is significant in the field of semiconductor. Charge carriers in drift current. In most conductors, the charge carriers responsibilities of drift current and electrons. In some cases, such as ionic liquids or electrolysis, positive and negative ions can also be charged carriers. The movement of the charge carriers under the influence of an electric leads to the flow of drift current. Relationship between electric field and drift current. The drift current is directly proportional to the strength of the applied electric field. As the electric field increases, the force of the charge carriers becomes stronger, resulting in a higher drift current. The relationship between the electric field and drift current can be decided by Ohm's law. J equals to psi E, where J is the drift current density, psi is the conductivity of E is the electric field. Drift velocity. Drift velocity refers the average velocity of charge carriers in a conductor under the influence of an electric field. It is directly proportional to the electric field strength and inversely proportional to the mass of charge of the charge carrier. Drift velocity can be calculated by using V/d equals to mu v, where V/d is the drift velocity, mu is the mobility of the charge carriers, and E is the electric field. Factors affecting drift current. The concentration of charge carriers in a magnetic electric field. The drift current higher carriers concentration leads to higher drift current. Temperature also influence drift current. High temperature increases current. High temperature increases the kinetic energy of charge carriers, resulting in higher drift velocity and thus higher drift current. The materials continually played a significant role to determining the magnitude of drift velocity. Higher continuity materials exhibit higher drift current. Applications of drift current. Drift current is utilized in various electric devices such as transistors, diodes, and integrated circuits. It is a circular for the operation of field effect transistors, where the control of drift current determines the device characters. Drift current is also significant in the field of semiconductor physics, where it is used to study carrier transports and continuity in different materials. Drift current versus diffusion current. Drift current is a diffusion current or two types of electric currents in material. While drift current arises due to the motion of charged particle under an electric field, diffusion current occurs due to the concentration of charge carriers. In some cases, both drift and diffusion current coexist, contributing to the overall electric current in a material. Limitations of drift current. Drift current can be limited by factors such as impurities, defects and scattering of charge carriers within a material. High temperature can also increases the scattering of charge carriers, lead to decrease in drift current. Additionally, in some materials, the presence of multiple charge carriers type will different mobilities can affect the overall drift current. Importance of drift current in semiconductor devices. Drift current is a circular of the operation in various semiconductor devices such as diodes and transistors. It's unable to control flow of charge carriers, allow for the amplification and switch off electrical signals. Understanding and optimizing drift current in semiconductor devices is essential for improving their performance